Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete TikTok application on your iPhone. So to do that, go ahead and you have two options. First is long press on the TikTok application. So here you'll get some options. Go ahead and tap on remove app and the three options will pop up, which is delete app, remove from home screen and cancel. You can just go ahead and tap on delete app and your TikTok application will be deleted. And another option is you can go to your mobile phone settings and here you can search storage. Now what you have to do is search for TikTok. So here you can see TikTok is occupying 797.6 MB and the size of the application is 313.6 MB. So what you can do is you can just tap on offload app and this will free up some space on your mobile phone, but it keeps the document and data. So this is how you can also delete your TikTok application but without losing data and information. So yeah guys, this is how it is done. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.